It is not magic, but it is very powerful, and in the Law of Attraction code, we will show you exactly how to use it. The Law of Attraction is a universal law that has been around since the beginning of time. It is always there and always will be. You can't avoid the Law of Attraction, so why not make it work for you? By going through this training and following the advice given, you can do just that. In the first couple of videos, we will tell you what the Law of Attraction really is and how it works. This is essential for you to know if you want to use the power that it offers, so do not skip these videos. There are many different opinions on what it is and what it isn't, and you need to know the truth about this. You will learn exactly how to apply the Law of Attraction in your life in this guide. We have provided you with a step-by-step process for this. Yes, it will take a little effort on your part and you need to be consistent. But this is really worth it if you want to manifest your desires. If you have heard that all you need to do is think about your desires a lot and the universe will provide them to you, then this is wrong. There needs to be another ingredient with this action. Just thinking about something and then taking no action will never achieve anything. One of the main reasons that people want to learn about the Law of Attraction is they want to manifest more money and wealth. We have dedicated an entire video to this with the steps that you must take to make this work for you. The Law of Attraction is real, and it does work. But you need to know how to use it properly to get what you want. After you have gone through this training, you will have the Law of Attraction code that you can use every day to manifest anything that you want. So, what are you waiting for? What really is the Law of Attraction? Many people have heard of the Law of Attraction, but in our experience, very few actually know what it really is. They have watched the movie The Secret and believe that all they have to do is hope that good things will happen to them and the Law of Attraction will make it happen. It doesn't work like that. And of course, while they are sitting and hoping and nothing is happening, they are quickly going to come to the conclusion that the Law of Attraction doesn't work. Well, it does work, but not when you just sit and hope that your life will change. Is it a magic spell? The Law of Attraction is not a magic spell. Why do so many people think this? It's probably because they hear stories about people that use the Law of Attraction to win big on lotteries and receive money out of thin air. You can't go through a training like this on the Law of Attraction and then chant abracadabra and expect your life to instantly change. That just isn't going to happen. There is effort involved in making the Law of Attraction work for you, and of course, most people don't want to hear that. They are a lot more comfortable with the thought of it being a magic spell that they can summon on demand. If the Law of Attraction truly was magic, then surely many people would have used it in their lives and our world would look quite different than it is today. So, please get any thoughts of it being some kind of magic out of your head right now. A common belief about the Law of Attraction. One of the most common ways that people define the Law of Attraction is something along the lines of, when you believe strongly that something will happen, then it will happen. That's a simple enough concept, isn't it? But the trouble is that with this kind of definition, there are too many unanswered questions. Does it mean that if you continually think about something that you want to happen, that other things will not happen? What about if you accidentally think about something that you don't want to happen? Here's an example. Let's say that at your work you have applied for a promotion. You are going to use the Law of Attraction to ensure that you get it. But you have doubts about whether you are going to land the promotion as well as thoughts that you will get it. So where does that leave you? Other people have also applied for the promotion and they know about the Law of Attraction too. So if they are thinking that it will happen as well, how does that work? There's only one promotion available. Do you see the problem with this definition? The 4 elements of the Law of Attraction. Okay, time for a reality check. We are now going to share with you what needs to happen for the Law of Attraction to work for you. There are 4 elements to this, and you will quickly realize that thinking about something a lot and hoping are not going to make it work for you. 1. You have to know exactly what you want. Most people have a tough time with this. If you ask the average man or woman in the street what they really want from life, the vast majority will not be able to tell you. In order for the Law of Attraction to work for you, you must be completely clear on exactly what you want. 2. Think about it and ask for it to happen. The Law of Attraction is a universal law. Yes, you do need to think about what you really want, and you need to ask the universe to make it happen for you. You will learn more about how this works in later videos. 3. Visualize you already have what you want. This is difficult for some people to grasp. Once you have decided what you want and asked the universe to provide it to you, then you need to visualize that you actually have it. You need to feel it, touch it, taste it, and make it very real. 4. Keep believing it will happen. Belief is especially important with the law of attraction. You do not want to start thinking about things that may happen. You have to stay on track and firmly believe that the thing you desire will happen for you. Do not let any apprehension creep in. The law of attraction has been around for a long time. If you think that the law of attraction is some new-aged, fangled thing, then you are wrong. Mass awareness of it is a recent thing, but that doesn't mean that it is new. People have been teaching that a person's beliefs are essential for their destiny for centuries. It wasn't until the 19th century that the law of attraction started to acquire notoriety in the Western world. People in other parts of the world knew about the law of attraction long before this. Initially, people in the West started to use the power of positive thinking to bring about the changes that they wanted in their lives. You have probably heard quotes like, "You are what you think," and "You are a product of your thoughts." These go back centuries, and the Buddha was among the first to introduce this kind of thinking. People in ancient cultures may not have realized that they were using the law of attraction, but they knew that it worked. So the first and most important step on your law of attraction journey is to believe that it works. Don't listen to the negative people who will tell you that it is nonsense. Only when you have total belief in the law of attraction will it truly work for you. How the law of attraction works. Understanding how the law of attraction works is essential for you to be successful with it. The best way to understand how the law of attraction works is to think about the concept of like attracts like. As human beings, we all emit energy into the world. This energy will either be at a low level or a high level. If we are continually emitting low levels of energy to the universe, then we will get things related to these low energy levels back. Conversely, high energy levels attract things related to these high levels. It's all about vibrations. The law of attraction is a universal law that is best understood by first considering the law of vibration. You need to know and believe that everything in our universe is vibrating on a continual basis. From the smallest grain of sand to the largest planet, it is all vibrating all of the time. Our brains have evolved to block this out so that we can observe a calm, still world. The truth is that we would find it very difficult to handle everything vibrating around us. So, the feelings of these vibrations and the sight and sounds have been blocked out, but the objects are still vibrating. Scientists have confirmed that colors are nothing more than vibrations at a specific frequency. You conceive your reality inside your head, and a conversion process has been undertaken so that life is easy for you. The law of vibration is real, and the next step is to comprehend that when two things use a similar vibration frequency, they are attracted to each other. You are sending out vibrations with your mind at different frequencies to the universe all of the time. Like attracts like, and your thoughts are what control your destiny. If you send out the right vibrations at the right frequency, then you will attract what you desire. You have to be in tune with the universe in order for it to manifest what you want. So the bottom line is, every positive and negative thing that has ever happened in your life was attracted by your vibrations. You are and have what you focus on. Your mind controls your destiny. So, if your thoughts are negative, your life will be negative. To make more sense of this, consider the following human emotions that send positive vibrations to the universe. Being joyful, being passionate, being excited, having an abundant mindset, being proud, being self-confident, showing affection to others. When you experience these emotions, your vibrations will have a higher energy and will be positive. Now let's take a look at those emotions that send out negative vibrations to the universe. Feeling disappointment, living a life of solitude, thinking that you are lacking things in your life, being sad, being tense, a disorganized mind, being angry, feeling pain. The point here is that if you are feeling pain all of the time, pain about your life rather than physical pain, then the universe will bring you more pain because it believes that is what you want. If you experience a lot of passion in your life, then the universe will send you more things to be passionate about. So where does all this get you? Well, in order to make the law of attraction work for you, you need to change the way that your mind works. If you are someone that is constantly complaining about everything, then you need to stop doing this or you will continue to receive more things to complain about. Tune your mind to change your destiny. The law of attraction works, but it is not about hope. It is about communicating with the universe in the right way and having belief that the law will work for you. Your connection with the universe is very important, and the more tuned your mind is, the greater the connection you will make. Think of the law of attraction as the law of thinking. Thinking in the right way is the secret to the law of attraction and the secret to success for you. In this training, you will learn how to apply the law of attraction step by step so you can be truly manifesting abundance in your life. Your brain is all-powerful, and whatever direction your mind wants you to travel in is the path that you will take. Everything that you have or don't have in your life right now is a result of your thoughts and your mind. So you need to tune your mind into what you want and let the law of attraction help you get it. Sending out high levels of energy and positive vibrations to the universe on a consistent basis is what it is all about. But you cannot achieve this just by sitting and hoping. Hoping is useless. You need to be totally clear about what you want and truly believe that you are going to get it. Subjective thinking. In order to get the most out of the law of attraction, you need to switch to subjective thinking rather than objective thinking. Well, what's the difference? Well, with objective thinking, you believe something is real only if you can see it, hear it, touch it, smell it, etc. With subjective thinking, we believe something is real first before we see it. So for example, you believe that you are going to get the promotion before you get it and then it happens. Subjective thinking is like dreaming. You will need to practice making the transition to subjective thinking because it is critical for the law of attraction to work for you. You need to understand that your perception of what is real in life is a manifestation of your thoughts. This does not mean that things around you are not real, but they are present in our consciousness. We are able to change things in our dreams, and when we apply the law of attraction correctly, we can change our reality as well. In the next video, we will explain about the default process and why you must overcome it to truly make the law of attraction work for you.